Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is a new video from me, Vanila. Please subscribe and put likes to my videos, and please support me by watching my videos. And I've been requested many times to do 100 dance tights, black tights, and hopefully I'll be able to satisfy the question, the request. So let's put them on. These are 100 there. They're so new, it's difficult to put them on. Here is how they look like. Adjust them a little bit. Do you like my new tights? Pantyhose? Please put likes for this video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Everyone of us got to know how to